Hi, I'm Bridget Linton, and I am so excited to be joined by Jayma Banks, our Senior Vice President of Housing Initiatives, and Marlana Scott, our Senior Director of Housing Initiatives here at CrossCountry Mortgage. You know, we're in a market where housing is becoming less and less affordable, but here at CrossCountry Mortgage, we continue to make significant strides in creating opportunities for first-time homebuyers. There are so many solutions that are equitable and affordable for people in all financial situations. So, Jayma, I want to start with you. Why is CCM so committed to the down payment assistance programs?
So, Bridget, like others, we've identified that one of the most significant barriers to homeownership or for prospective homebuyers is saving money for a down payment. Mm-hmm. So with that being said, we made it our commitment to create a comprehensive DPA program or offerings, right? So not only are we creating or devising our in-house DPA programs, we've also partnered with state, local, and national DPA assistant programs.
And it's so fascinating to see. And what I love about CrossCountry Mortgage is they are so passionate about making homeownership dreams come true. Marlana, why is that?
Well, as Jayma was saying, I mean, the number one barrier to homeownership is down payment. And so CCM wants to be able to make that homeownership dream possible because it's still ingrained in the American dream of most homebuyers, right? And so through the product offerings, not just our down payment assistance, we have a pool of products that meet everyone where they are. And so that shows CCM's commitment to, helping those homebuyers achieve that dream.
And why is the down payment assistance program so important?
Oh, it bridges the gap. It bridges the gap for those prospective home buyers and the resources that they need.
And when we're talking about home buyers, what makes you a first-time home buyer?
So per Freddie Mac, it is the person is owning the mortgage premises. They also have not owned anything in the previous 3 years, either a co-owner or a sole proprietor. And then they also will be residing in the primary residence.
So we're talking about how amazing the down payment assistance program is, but what are some of the common misconceptions?
Oh, high interest rates. Yeah. The process takes too long. But actually, CCM has some pretty astute loan officers that have been able to navigate home buyers through this process pretty quickly and effectively.
Yeah. And people think they have to be a first-time home buyer or have low income, but that's just not true. Right.
Well, I love what you guys are doing, and you've provided me with so much information, but this housing initiatives team is fairly new to CCM, but you're already doing so much in the affordable housing landscape. Can you talk about how this team got started and touch on some of your accomplishments?
Oh, this got started a little over a year ago with a phone call from Ron. And what I've built my team so far. This is just not about the commitment. I've truly embedded housing inclusivity, financial inclusivity into the mission of what CCM is going to do from here on out, right? We're rolling our sleeves up. We're being boots on the ground. We're getting involved, and we're truly doing our part to help strengthen the communities that we serve.
You love it.
Yeah. And some of our accomplishments, we launched our relationship with NAREB, which is the National Association of Real Estate Brokers. They're also known as Realtists. We deepened our relationship with NAREB. We've actually just engaged with ARIA, which we hope to have a partnership with in 2025. So we're really moving as far as our partnerships and, the branding of CCM into the heartbeat, really, of the mortgage industry through these trade associations. We also had our SOAR, which was awesome, Success, Opportunity, Advancement, and Relationships that kicked off back in September. And that was in the tri-state market. And it was really a win for our team because we brought something to the market that was necessary.
Marlana, I want to go back to something that you had mentioned. You said SOAR. Can you go into more detail about what that is?
Oh, yeah, that is our team's baby. And what that was our ability to bring internal stakeholders like our renovation, like our non-QM partners into something that we offered to the community. So we brought in our loan officers, they brought their realtor partners. We also brought some new real estate professionals to the event, and we were able to give them the information that's going on locally, but also take it up a level on tools that they can take with them to help deepen and broaden their business base.
To hear how much you guys have already accomplished is so remarkable. And when you think about the future of CCM and specifically your team, what excites you the most?
Oh, we're just getting started.
Yeah, sky's the limit. The great thing is that, helping people is something that's ingrained in everything that we do here at CCM. That's a necessary thing. We talked about first-time home buyers. We have to continue to help them out. And so really, we have a broad landscape to really make an impact this year and going forward.
I truly cannot wait to see what's next. Thank you guys so much for giving me more background on everything down payment assistance program. And if you would like to learn more, all you have to do is visit ccm.com to learn more about how the programs work, eligibility requirements, and how to get in touch with the CCM loan officer.